At DKM, in partnership with RaSpect Intelligence, we leverage the power of AI and drone technology to transform building facade inspection.
RaSpect, the AI-driven facade inspection platform that's fast, efficient, and incredibly easy to use. You save time, reduce costs, and inspect smarter with RaSpect. Let me take you through its platform, Inspectica. Start with project info, where you add essential project details, then move to data to upload all your photos and videos in one place. Next, in localization, arrange and organize your media files effortlessly. Then comes analysis, where our system automatically tags defects, capturing every detail you need. With advanced AI-powered algorithms, Inspectica highlights critical issues and provides precise measurements for each defect. The platform even categorizes the issues based on historical data, enabling predictive maintenance insights. Easily navigate defects by type, severity, or location, and view them in real time in the side panel with image, map, and 3D tracking. This streamlined approach simplifies defect detection, allowing for faster identification and prioritization of issues that require urgent repair and maintenance. Finally, head to reports. You can easily generate and download the report. Thank you for exploring RaSpect Inspectica platform.